Here's information on full load current for 3-phase 300-volt alternating current motors. Understanding full load current is crucial for motor selection, circuit protection, and overall system design. The full load current represents the current drawn by the motor when it's operating at its rated horsepower and voltage, delivering its rated output power. It's a key parameter for determining conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, and proper operation of the motor. Here's an approximate full load current chart for 3-phase 300-volt alternating current motors. These values are typical, and you should always refer to the motor nameplate and manufacturer's data for precise figures. For a 1 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 2.6 amps. For a 1.5 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 3.5 amps. For a 2 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 4.6 amps. For a 3 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 6.2 amps. For a 5 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 8.6 amps. For a 7.5 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 11.0 amps. For a 10 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 14.0 amps. For a 15 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 18.0 amps. For a 20 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 22.0 amps. For a 25 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 26.0 amps. For a 30 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 30.0 amps. For a 40 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 36.0 amps. For a 50 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 42.0 amps. For a 60 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 48.0 amps. For a 75 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 54.0 amps. For a 100 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 66.0 amps. For a 125 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 78.0 amps. For a 150 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 90.0 amps. For a 200 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 110.0 amps. For a 250 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 132.0 amps. And finally, for a 300 horsepower motor, the full load current is approximately 154.0 amps. Remember, these values are approximate and can vary based on the specific motor's design and manufacturer. Always verify the full load amps rating on the motor nameplate for the most accurate value. Several factors influence the actual full load current of a motor, including the motor's efficiency, power factor, and specific design characteristics. Higher efficiency motors tend to draw less current for the same horsepower rating. The power factor also plays a significant role. Motors with lower power factors require more current to deliver the same amount of power. It's important to consult the manufacturer's data sheets for the specific motor you are using. The nameplate provides the definitive full load current rating for that particular motor. Using this value ensures accurate calculations for circuit protection and motor control sizing.